Unlock the potential to earn $1,000 an hour with Gemini by leveraging its advanced AI capabilities. Identify your niche, target the right audience, price your services competitively, and start with smaller projects to build your reputation. This strategic approach can attract premium clients and turn Gemini's assistance into a lucrative venture. Identify your niche with Gemini's help. Excel in tasks like content creation, data analysis, or code generation, enhancing your productivity and expertise in your chosen field. Target the right audience. Identify freelancers or businesses that can benefit from your Gemini-assisted skills, such as content creation, data analysis, or code generation. Start by exploring online marketplaces or social media groups to connect with potential clients and showcase your expertise. Package and price your services. Offer hourly rates or project-based pricing, and research similar services to set a competitive price. This ensures you attract clients while providing fair value for your Gemini-assisted expertise. Start small and scale up. Begin with smaller projects to build your experience and portfolio. As you achieve success, gradually increase your rates and take on larger clients, expanding your business steadily.